From social media stardom to legal turmoil, Andrew Tate's arrest took social media by storm. Andrew and his brother Tristan were arrested by the Romanian police in December 2022 for alleged sex trafficking and rape charges, and since then they have been imprisoned. This latest update in Andrew Tate's case will surely blow your mind. Are they out of prison? Have they been acquitted of all the charges against them? Join us as we dive into the latest updates on the controversial businessman's case. Despite being a millionaire, Andrew is popular for all the wrong reasons. In 2022, Andrew Tate was Googled more than Donald Trump and Kim Kardashian combined. Why? His controversial misogynistic content. After he got arrested, the former kickboxing champion was very vocal about being framed. But according to legal experts, the brothers tried to intimidate the witnesses last April despite refuting the allegations. Tweet: In the latest news, Tina GLANDIDAN, the defense lawyer for the brothers, has made it quite clear that it was a necessary action taken by the U.S. attorney, as there had been no development in the case so far, and they were kept detained month after month. In a statement, she cleared her client's stand. Their civil attorney believed in the cease and desist letter because it was a necessary first step before filing the civil suit. To be clear, the Tate brothers are not trying to intimidate anyone. They just want the truth to come out, and they have a team of lawyers handling all the necessary legal action to clear their image. GLANDIDAN also compared the case with Eleanor Williams, who falsely accused different men of sex trafficking. This led to some of them even attempting suicide. Just this month, a 22-year-old British woman was sentenced to 8 years and 5 months in prison for falsely claiming she was traffic raped and forced to work as a prostitute. Over the course of several years, she went so far as to injure her face with a hammer. The false accusations in that case led to several suicide attempts by the accused men within weeks of them. The Tate brothers are strongly denying all of the allegations against them and maintaining that they are innocent. That's the reason why they have the U.S. attorney into the scene. On 5 February, Tate tweeted, "Millions of men across the planet are falsely accused, and no one gives a f. This could be you. Be afraid." Andrew Tate, his brother, and 2 Romanian women involved in the alleged organized crime and sex trafficking have been held in detention since December. None of the 4 have been formally indicted, and the court calls it a preventive arrest. On March 2022, a Romanian court ruled for the 4th time the extension of their detention for another 30 days. There are high chances that Tate would apply for bail as he did for the last 3 times. And if this time too the court rejected his bail, the 4 of them will have to stay in jail till the end of April. But not for a long time, as according to Romanian laws, they can be held for not more than 180 days without a formal indictment. After the extension, a tweet was posted by Andrew Tate. "My whole life has been war. That is the difference between me and everyone else. I have knife scars. I have had 87 professional fights. Now I am in a Romanian jail. I succeed and achieve regardless. And that is why when I speak, people listen. Heroes are built in war." After the arrests in December, DIICOT released a statement in which it claimed to have identified 6 victims in the human trafficking case who were reportedly sexually exploited and subjected to acts of physical violence and mental coercion by members of the suspected crime ring. According to the agency, victims were enticed with claims of love, and afterwards threatened, put under surveillance, and subjected to other forms of control while being forced to commit pornographic activities for the criminal organization's financial advantage. The scales seem to be balanced as both the sides have a lot to say. It is a sensitive case as so much is at stake. Let's hope that the law approaches this case with sensitivity and compassion. Could it be that Andrew Tate is really being framed? If yes, then do you think the involvement of the US can help Andrew Tate prove his innocence? As viewers, it is our responsibility to check both the sides and do proper research before making opinions about anything. Let's just pray that the truth prevails. Is it guilty until proven or otherwise? He might be a misogynist and whatnot, but do you think the accusations are true? Share in the comments what you think about him.